Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learn with Ashley. Okay, today we are going to start our exercise of chapter number 1, The Spirit of Sacrifice. So let's start our exercise. Here is our first part, comprehension. Circle the correct answer. What is more important for Eid ul-Azha? Buying an animal, spending money, the spirit of sacrifice. ईद उल अज़हा के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा क्या ज़रूरी है? एनिमल ख़रीदना, पैसे जमा करना या कुर्बानी का जज्बा? तो कुर्बानी का जज्बा सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. That's why the spirit of sacrifice is the correct answer. Second one is, why did the family not buy a goat that year? The family had been really busy helping the mother get better. The family was buying a cow. The boys wanted to surprise their parents. So first one is the correct one. The family had been really busy helping the mother get better. कि उसकी इनकी जो मदर थी वो हॉस्पिटल से आ गई थी और जो फैमिली थी वो बिजी थी उनका ख्याल रखने में, उनकी बेहतरी के लिए. Okay, so next one is answer the following questions. So we have to write these questions. Okay, let's start. Here is, what do you understand by spirit of sacrifice? जो spirit of sacrifice कुर्बानी का जज्बा है उससे आपने क्या सीखा या आपको क्या समझ में आया? It means willingness to give up something that is important to you for someone or something else. इसका मतलब है कि ऐसी चीज़ को अल्लाह ताला की राह में कुर्बान करना जो हमें सबसे ज़्यादा अजीज़ होती है. Okay, here is second question. Why should we treat animals with kindness? कि हमें जानवरों के साथ अच्छा सलूक क्यों करना चाहिए? Because they are creatures of Allah and feel happy when we are nice to them. क्योंकि वो अल्लाह ताला की मखलूक हैं और वो तब खुश होते हैं जब हम उनके साथ अच्छा बिहेव करते हैं. So here is the second part, working with words. Choose the correct word from the brackets. So here is first one, Ahad was dash because they could not get a goat. Here are three options, sadly, sadness and sad. So sad is the correct option. This year his parents could not dash a goat. Buying, buy or bought. So buy is the correct option. We do not buy animals to dash. Showing off, show off, shown off. So show off is the correct answer. Okay, so here is question number 2 of part B. Underline the consonants, circle the vowels, write the alphabet in your book, say the sounds of letters with a friend. Okay, so we have to circle the vowels like A, E, I, O, U, and we have to underline the consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, here is third question, that is, your teacher will say a letter, write the letter in your book. Your teacher will say 5 more letters for you to write. Play this game again another day or at home. So teachers will say any letter and the students will have to write on their book or notebook, and students will also play this game at home. So here is question number 4. Read the following words carefully and put them in the correct column in your notebook. Okay, this question should be solved on notebook. People, animal, things, food and places. So this is really the activity of a noun. Here are some examples. And I colored animal with pink, people with yellow, place with brown, and things with green. So look at this. Lion, cow, cat and goat is an animal. Abid, Rehan, Mr. Ali are in the categories of people. Pen, coat, banana, pencil, bottle, biscuit and rice are in the category of things. And Lahore, school, Russia, sucker are in the categories of places. Okay, so here question number 5. Arrange the words given above in alphabetical order. Use the first and second letters of the words for arrangement. Okay, now we have to put these all words in alphabetical order. So let's do it on the notebook. Okay, here is alphabetical order of those words: abid, banana, biscuit. Okay, look, here are 3 words that starts from B: banana, biscuit and bottle. So if the first letter will be same, the first letter is same, then we have to write it according to the second letter, like A, I and O. We will check these letters and arrange in that case. So abid, banana, biscuit, bottle, cat, coat, cow, goat, lion, Mr. Ali, pen, pencil, Rehan, rice, Russia, school and circle. So we have done this question number 5. Okay, so guys, now we are going to start part C, learning about language. Here is a noun. Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Noun ism को कहते हैं, नाम को भी कहते हैं. So we have to underline all the nouns in the following paragraphs. Ali was in his bedroom. He was sitting on a chair by his desk. Ali was making a car. So here are different nouns in this paragraph. You have to underline these. I have already underlined these words. Okay, so here are also some nouns from that paragraph. So here's some statement in bold letters. Paragraph, all sentences in the paragraph focus on Ali's activities. Paragraphs are a group of sentences that share a common idea. कि इस paragraph में जितने भी sentences हैं वो अली की ही activities को represent कर रहे हैं. So paragraph हमेशा जो है एक common idea को share कर रहे होते हैं. Okay, so here is the next part, listening and speaking. What have you learned about the spirit of sacrifice? Share one story with your classmates. This is the activity of listening and speaking, and students must have to listen and speak about the story. And students must have to listen the story of others and speak their own story with their classmates. Okay, now here is part E, composition. Eid al-Adha, Christmas, and other festivals that are celebrated in Pakistan are a source of joy to the followers. Choose one and write about it. Draw a picture too. Okay, this is composition and ईद उल अज़हा, क्रिसमस और जितने भी फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, त्यौहार होते हैं, वो पाकिस्तान में मनाए जाते हैं और वो अपने जितने भी पैरोकार हैं उनके लिए एक सोर्स ऑफ जॉय है। और हमने इसमें से एक चूज़ करना है, उसके बारे में लिखनी है कंपोजिशन और उसके लिए पिक्चर भी बनानी है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो आप अपने स्टूडेंट्स को फोर्स करेंगे दैट दे शुड राइट 4 to 5 lines by themselves, and you can also help them and must draw a picture with that too. Okay, so I have written a short composition. Eid al-Adha is one of the most important festival of Muslim calendar. It is also known as the festival of sacrifice. It commemorates Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son Ismail as an act of obedience to Allah. तो ईद उल अज़हा जो है वो मुसलमानों की जो कैलेंडर है उसका एक इम्पॉर्टेंट त्यौहार है। इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज अ फेस्टिवल। ये इसको कुर्बानी की ईद भी कहा जाता है या ईद कुर्बान भी बोला जाता है और इट कमेमोरेट्स, हमें याद दिलाता है हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम की कुर्बानी के बारे में, जो उन्होंने अल्लाह ताला की ओबीडियंस में, फरमाबरदारी में कुर्बान करना चाहा था उन्होंने अपने बेटे को। ये उस कुर्बानी की याद हमें दिलाती है। सो नाउ वी हैव डन विद दिस चैप्टर। सो डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated. So stay happy and stay blessed. We'll meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.